peregrine. Camcorder man. I still, where's the kissy guy going?
Because you've got 5 guillemot chicks left on the ledges. Guillemot chicks are different to most birds in that they can't actually fly when they leave the nest. What they do is plummet down into the water. Adult birds will be down at the bottom waiting for them, will shepherd them out to sea, and they'll remain on the water for perhaps 2 weeks before they're able to fly, and then will take off from there. So it's a very, very vulnerable time for them. So there's 2 main guillemot colonies on their thigh in the mating season, and they are slightly bigger birds. But these are all shags. The darker birds are the adults, and the lighter coloured ones are this year's young.